Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we'll see the personality Pandit Hridaynath Kunzru. He was born on 1st of October 1887 in Agra to a Kashmiri family. He received his BA degree from Allahabad University. He obtained BSc degree in political science from London School of Economics. He was not in favor of satyagraha or non-cooperation movements. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on a Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues in the assembly, like he argued in favor of autonomy of the provincial governments in financial matters. He proposed that only certain fundamental rights should be restricted during emergency and not the entire fundamental rights. He moved an amendment to reduce the lifespan of ordinances to 2 weeks from 6 weeks. He expressed his view on fundamental rights. He also spoke on the immigration issue which would arise in the particular provinces. That he spoke on 29th of April 1947. The province, I was saying, must have the right to decide in view of its resources what the size of its population at any time should be. No provincial government can fairly be asked to allow an unlimited influx of immigrants from another province in pursuance of the principle mentioned here. Let us take the case of Assam. To understand this fully, will anybody force the government of Assam at the present time to allow an unlimited number of people from any of the neighboring provinces to enter Assam and settle down there? So these were his views regarding the immigrations. We are thankful to him for his contribution given by him in making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.